Assalamu alaikum. So, in the last lesson, we talk about the lesson number two, and where we find that in the second lesson we have uh, two or more than two letters. So, let's do more practice. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now, look at the first letter. Kaf. Kaf. The second one, ba, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba. And remember, if you know about that, when we recite kaf, it's kaf without dot, and when we said cough, it's a dot one. It's a cough with dot, and without dot, it's kaf, kaf, ba. The next letter is the same, kaf, ba, kaf, ba. Move on the next, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, kaf, alif. The next one, kaf, alif, kaf, alif. Now this letter has three. Move on. Ba, ba, kaf, ta. And remember, ba has only the one dot and the position of the dot in the downward. Ba has only the one dot and the position of the dot in downward. Ta has only the two dots and the position of the dot on the top. So you remember all these fundamentals as well. Ba, kaf, ta, ba, kaf, ta. The next one, ta, ta, kaf, kaf, sa, sa. And you know, when you recite the sa, your tongue must be between your teeth and you recite very positive and very politely. Sa, sa. Don't put any force on sa. It's a simple word. Sa, ta, kaf, sa, ta, kaf, sa. The next one, ba, ba. The next one, ta, ta. And remember, ba has only the one dot and the position of the dot downward. Ta has only two dot and the position of dot on the top. Ta. The next one, sa, sa. Sa has only three dots and the position of dot on the top. Sa, sa. The next one, noon, noon. The next one, ya, ya. The next one, ba, alif, ba, alif, ba, alif. Remember, ba has only the one dot and position of dot on the down, and alif don't have any dot. Ba, alif. The next, noon, alif, noon, alif. Noon has only the one dot and the position of the dot on the top, and alif. Noon, alif, noon, alif. The next one, ta, alif. Ta has only the two dot and the position of dot on the top. Ta, alif, ta, alif. The next, ya. Okay, and ta and ya both are opposite to each other. Ta has two dots and the position of the dot on the top. Ya has only the two dot and the position of the dot on the down. So both are it's here up and it's here down. Ya, alif, ya, alif. The next one, sa. Sa has three dots and the position of the dot on the top, and you recite sa very positive and very politely. Sa, sa. And when you recite sa, your position, your tongue will be in the between in your teeth. Sa, alif, sa, alif. That's fine. This lesson is complete the same. So I hope you can find how it recites, and if you need any help from my side, you can contact us, or if you want to be join our online classes all over the world, you can join us. Our number, our website, our WhatsApp number, our Facebook page, all in the below description, and subscribe the channel. Assalamu alaikum. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.